We'll guide you through how to update network drivers in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's always a good idea to go and make sure they're up to date to make sure you got the latest bugs, security fixes, and features in general. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide so you know exactly what you need to do in order to go about this. So there are different ways you can go about it as well, so watch the full guide. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in device manager like so. Go and click on it. Now you're going to go and see the different devices, including your network adapters, which we can then go and update. So come down the list and find the option for network adapters and press the arrow to the left to go and expand it. Now you're going to have different adapters in here and different options. You want to make sure you go and find the right one. Usually your Wi-Fi will be called something specific like RZ616. The Ethernet can be a bit broader. Personally, this is mine here. It's the Realtek Gaming family controller. This is because my motherboard uses Realtek. So once you've identified it, you can go and right click on it and you can go and find update driver like so. Then you can go and do an automatic search and they'll go and see if there's anything available, but they're already installed. So alternatively, we can go and update our drivers directly from the manufacturer, as sometimes that can be more specific. So first of all, I find the best way to do this is to go and get the motherboard drivers for Ethernet, as that's what's going to be using. Depending upon if your Wi-Fi is built into your motherboard or a separate device, that will vary, but you can always go and search for the Wi-Fi adapter name here, or if you're using Wi-Fi built into your motherboard, which you should know, like a laptop usually uses that or some desktops, we can go and get our motherboard drivers as well. To identify a motherboard, press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in system information. And then you want to go and find the option for baseboard. So I can go and see my baseboard is a Pro X70. The manufacturer is Microstar International, which is MSI. So I'll go and type in MSI X670 and it's this one here. So I'm going to go and click on it. I'll just add in drivers at the end to make it easier and it's this one here. So let me go and click on it. We can then select driver and once press LAN drivers, go down and find my Wi-Fi and then my Ethernet drivers. And then what we can do is go and download these like so and we can then go and install them. Open your downloads and select them and we'll need to go and extract them. Then you can just come in here and go and run the exe file. That's it. We can then go and update the most recent one.